haven't used anything like this like ever. Hi kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna play with some Korean makeup. There's a brand Rom&nd. It's a Korean makeup brand which is launched on Limes, and I placed my order for their glitter garden eyeshadow palette. Let me open this for you. I received my package today and immediately I just fell in love. So we are gonna play with this eyeshadow, and I'm also gonna be swatching these three lip tints. I have the shade Nucadamia, Pink Popsicle and Rose Splash. So let's begin. I've already done my base makeup using Estee Lauder foundation and Too Faced concealer. So let's try some lip tints first because I feel I need some color to my lips, and I'm gonna try this shade Pink Popsicle. So beautiful in the packaging. Wow, look at this, so pretty. It matches what I'm wearing. So let's see how does the single layer of this lip tint looks like. It's highly pigmented, I can tell you already, and it has a gel consistency. It's not watery at all. So now I'm gonna use my finger to blend it to give it a natural look. I'm gonna change my earrings. Give me a minute, just because I feel these would go better with today's look. I wear these earrings all the time. These are definitely my favorite and goes with all the looks, but especially glittery makeup look. But these are a little heavy for my ears. I don't know if you've noticed, but I have very tiny ears. So this is how Rom&nd Juicy Lasting Tint in shade Pink Popsicle looks like on my lips. It's a very beautiful summery pink shade, and I think it would suit all Indian skin tones. Also, it feels very moisturizing on lips. It has a gel consistency. It does not dry out my lips, and it leaves a nice tint behind, so it's very long lasting as compared to other Korean lip tints. So now I'm gonna try it on my cheeks. You need very little amount because these are super pigmented. And blend. So this is how the single layer of lip tint looks like on my cheeks. Should I apply a little bit more? Let's do this. And it's so easy to blend on cheeks. So beautiful. Like, it gives this juicy effect on my cheeks immediately, which I love. Wow, so pretty. Kitties, you need to try this shade particular. I have tried all the shades, but this one is my favorite just because how beautiful this looks in the summertime. So now let's play with the eyeshadows. Then I will swatch these two shades. So this is how the eyeshadow looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty, kitties. The glitter shades, I haven't seen anything like that. It's so unique and so mermaid vibes, so fairy vibes. It's so beautiful, ethereal. I don't even want to touch it because it would ruin it. So names of the shade is behind the palette. This shade is Purple Fantasy, Twinkle Pink, Fairy Glitter. So I think I'm gonna use the Fairy Glitter shade. I'm gonna swatch few shades on my hands first for you, just to show you how intense these are and how beautiful. Should I come closer? Let's use some Fairy Glitter on my eyes. I'm just tapping it first because it does have a little bit chunks of glitter, like big chunks, but it's sticking to my eyes flawlessly and there's zero fallout. I haven't used anything like this like ever. I am obsessed with Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeshadow glitter, but these glitter are literally from fairyland. These are so different. Let's try on this eye. You can use a little bit of it like this, or you can just intensify your glitter look like this eye. Now I know what K-pop idols are using on their eyes because their glitter always looked so pretty. These glitters are more like toppers, meaning when you apply these, it wouldn't hide the color, previous eyeshadow's color that you're wearing. It would just enhance it, and that's what I love about these toppers. Since it doesn't have any matte shade, I applied Huda Beauty New Nude eyeshadow palette's shade Lace, which is like my favorite. You can see I've hit pan on it. It's like a very beautiful pinky shade, but more on the nudish, like it's muted pink shade, which you can see still peeking through the glitter topper. If you're somebody who likes to use glitter eyeshadows or toppers, I think this is a must-have in your collection. I am obsessed with this glitter. I mean, it looks so gorgeous. I'm looking like a fairy right now just because of these glitters. I have a tarot deck of fairies where I literally pull one card for each day just to know the theme of that day. Let me pull out a card for you guys. Just give me a moment. This is the Oracle of Fairies. Let's see which fairy wants to say hi to my subscribers. These fairies are a little shy, so let me introduce them. Do you have a message for my subscribers? I'm telling you, it takes them a little while to warm up and come out. Okay, so we have moon energy. Surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life. If you are feeling confused, this fairy comes to calm emotions and reassure you that peace of mind is possible. Wow, like such a beautiful message. Let's take a deep breath. I hope this message resonated with you guys. So back to the eyeshadow palette. I personally am gonna get the use out of these glitter shades because I love to wear glitter on my eyes. I'm gonna play around with this eyeshadow palette more. I really want to use this purple fantasy shade. Do not regret spending money on it. Now let's swatch other lip tints. Now let's open the Nucadamia. It's a very popular shade in their range. It looks like my lip color. It's very natural nude shade. I've used it without makeup on and it doesn't look that pretty without makeup on, but with makeup it's looking really pretty, to be honest. If you're like a medium or darker Indian skin tone, I would recommend the pink Popsicle, especially for the summertime. This one is highly recommended by me, but Nucadamia also looks so pretty, especially with my makeup on. It's a single layer. These are highly pigmented, very opaque lip tints. Time for Glasting Water Tint in shade Rose Splash. And this is how it looks. It has a different packaging. Ooh, it's super pigmented and it's more lightweight as compared to these two lip tints I mentioned. This shade has more like a party vibe. Like in the evening you can wear this shade. In my 20s I used to love wearing red lipsticks, but now I'm more of like a nude lipsticks girl. But whenever I wore red lipsticks, I got so many compliments. If you have never tried Korean makeup brands, they are more on the natural side. Korean people prefer to do their makeup more natural looking. My personal favorite shade is pink Popsicle because it reminds me of Go-Go Tint, which is like my favorite lip tint. I wear it all the time. I have it right now with me. Let me wear it again and come back. I removed it with my micellar water, but you can see still there is like a little bit of tint behind. So it does leave a tint behind and it's very long lasting. That I can tell you for sure. This also does not stain my teeth, you guys. I have a Etude House lip tint which always stain my teeth. This is not my first time trying Korean makeup. I have tried Etude House Peach Farm eyeshadow palette, but as you can see I haven't used it much. It looks pretty in the palette, but these shades are very chalky. But I actually do like these glitter shades because Korean glitter shades are much more like topper. It reminds me of Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeshadow quad. I do prefer Korean glitters over the highly pigmented Huda Beauty glitters. Korean glitter shades are more sophisticated, natural looking, and more subtle as compared to other eyeshadow palettes that I've tried. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm trying to be more regular on my channel, so I'm just focusing on filming videos. I hope you guys cheer for me. There might be a little bit compromise with the quality, but right now I'm focusing on the quantity. I just want to deliver content to you guys because that's what you are here for. I'm trying so hard to leave perfection behind. Trust me, it's hardest to do for me. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I really work hard on the quality of my videos. Like, I wait for people to pass and honking to stop so that I can film without any background noise. And I usually film in the daytime because there is natural light and you can see my skincare, makeup better. And I like to decorate my room with aesthetical backgrounds so that you feel better some way. And I like to edit my videos in a certain way and with cute aesthetic thing that I add in my videos. But now I'm gonna like stop obsessing over the quality and perfection and just produce content for you guys. So yeah, I hope you stay for that, and I will see you soon in my next video. Let me know which eyeshadow or lip tint are you guys getting for yourself. Let me know in the comments down below, and see you soon. Bye kitties, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.